going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, my BOK fam. How y'all doing today? How y'all living? What's popping today? We got a unboxing. We got an unboxing. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Yeah, we got an unboxing, man. Shout out to N Clothing. Shout out to N Clothing. And I'm gonna tell y'all why we gonna shout them out. N Clothing always put your box in a bag, and not only that, they put the box in another box. So if this was to get ripped or tore, you wouldn't see nothing but a box. So you don't know what is in that box. So shout out to them. I appreciate their shipping and all that good stuff, because they definitely get it to you quick. But before we get into this box, I want to get into this bag here that I just purchased. I've been seeing they drops, and as y'all know, I'm a sock head, and I definitely wanted to try their socks out and see what they're talking about. This is the Apothecary, I want to call it, Salehe sock company. Bam. I did get the checkered blue and white. They've had a couple collabs with Quiet Kites and a bunch of people around. I think I want to try these socks out. I think they some dope socks. I've been seeing them, and I just pulled the trigger this time. A lot of times they had drops. I want to say they on Fridays, and yeah, I got this brown cream and brown one here. Yeah. What shoes? I don't know. But yeah. So I think it'll be a dope sock. You know, the material feels. This material feels great. Remind me of the old Nike socks that used to be thick all the way through. Now they're coming out with different ones, but that's what it reminded me of. Shout out to Salehe and his people. I think this would be a dope. I think it's a dope sock, man. So, getting on with that. Let's get into this. I'll leave a link in the description where y'all can get these at. They sell out a lot, so my suggestion, if you're going to get socks from there, I think they run around 15 bucks, if that, for a pair of socks, or for a pair. I think they run around 15 bucks for a pair. So if you're looking to cop, join their mailing list. They do send out a mailing list a couple days or a week or so before you for their drops come out. So I suggest join the mailing list. Anytime you looking for something, or you in the midst of something, or there's something you want, and you know they do drops regularly, join the mailing list. You'll always get that email, and you'll always be up to date on what they got going on. So I would do that. But let's get to this. Get to this box here. Let's rip this open. Like I said, shout out to N Clothing. I did get these on for there. I think it was a sleeper. Me personally. Do I have a knife? No. So we back with the trusty knife. I think it's a sleeper pickup. I think people are not sleeping on these, but I think sometimes they sleep on N Clothing. So we're just gonna snatch right into this and get going. We ain't gonna keep y'all long, man. We're just gonna get right into it. Bam. Here we go. We got yeah, it's the I think honestly this year New Balance has taken over the game. New Balance. Nobody thought they would start liking dad shoes, and goodbye to Monarchs. Goodbye to Boosts. New Balance has crept their way in and somehow became relevant. Joe Fresh Goods, like all these collabs they doing that's keeping this brand there, and the quality. I cannot. The best thing about buying some shoes, one, they may be cheaper, or two, they may be in that 150 to 170 range. You know, they do got some models that's up there, but you know, New Balance is a performance brand versus anything else. So the quality that they put on their collabs and they put on their regular drops, it's unmatched. It's unmatched. Nike, none of them are not there. This quality the New Balance put on their shoes, oh my God! From the 550s to the 990s to the 350s and all them, like the quality is unmatched. So let's get into these. This is a New Balance 2002, and I think it was just a dope pair to pick up. Something I can have in my collection. I think these ran me around 150. I want to say 150, somewhere around there. Let's get into the shoe. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, man. Yeah, the 2002 R's, man. These are beautiful. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Man, the quality, man, of this shoe. This is an 11.5. I don't know how they run until I get them on feet, but judging how most New Balances is, they do run true to size. Yeah, this is if y'all see my face, how I'm looking at it, I wasn't expecting it to look this good. I knew it was gonna look good. This is a running shoe, so yeah. So this will be a daily. This will be something to stay in the rotation. It's very light. I think that's what we all look for in shoes. It's very light, so you know, it's very light. And the colorway is a light bone, I think it is, a cream. Yeah. Man. So if y'all get an opportunity, man, cop them. This is a 2002 R. Man, you got the mesh here on the tongue, which is kind of see-through. You got some reflectiveness here on the top here. You got that New Balance running on the thing there. You got the 2002 R there. On the back, you got the New Balance tab there. You got that bottom that's black that I think they got a lot going on there. I think you get a lot of grip on that. Like I said, these shoes are, New Balance is built around running, so running and walking, all the shoes gonna be meant for that. So the fact that we wearing them for recreation and we care about comfort now, it's just a plus. What I don't want to see is kids that's coming up and they think the Jordans are comfortable shoes. The Jordans are not. They're just not a comfortable shoe at all. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. It's not a comfortable shoe at all. New Balances, it's a couple of shoes. New Balance, Saucony. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. ASIC. If you really looking for comfort, if you really, Adidas. Some of their shoe lines got a real comfortable shoe. And don't get me wrong, Nike got some comfortable shoes out there, but the hype stuff, it's not comfortable shoes. Jordan 1s to me are not comfortable. They're just too flat. I'll rock them, but you give me the right pair of socks and a insole in them, I'm there for it all day. But these are built for comfort, and they always been on that. This is not nothing new. So like I said, this shoe run about 150. This is one of them other ones that's back to school that you would get and you can rock up into the end of the school year, and you can beat up and bruise and they just look better as they get beat up. This is one of those shoes. So parents, kids out there that got kids going back to school, kids that's going back to school, if you're looking for a shoe, the 2002 R is one of those shoes. Like I said, this is I think a light bone or cream colorway. Yeah, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you share with your friends and your family and all that. Do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings, yo. We out.